Hey everybody, Mike Whiteside here on I think it's Dog Day, Dog Appreciation Day or something. Every day is just, some kind of an appreciation for something. Today's dogs, and Black Dog Salvage. We got dogs. Come here, Stell. Come on. And I'm just standing over here in the corner of the yard, me and the dogs. And there's Miss Stella. Come here, sweet girl. Come here. Stella, come here. Come here. Yeah. See this sweet girl? She is nothing but love. Come here, Stella. She loves to have her butt scratched just like anybody else. And there's Miss May. How you doing, sweet girl? Look at this. Yes. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. I'm just blessed to have dogs in my life every day, and then they go home with me. They sleep with me, hang out with me, give me nothing but joy, love, unconditional, and I just love having them in my life. I've had a dog in my life for quite a while now. And starting with the first Molly, and Miss Sally, who was with us for 14 years. And then I got these two lovely ladies who are with me again. And with y'all, if you come see them and they're here, they love to come sniff. So just give your dog a hug, give them a bone, give them the recognition they deserve, because, they give us love. They're I like my dogs more than I like most people. So, I don't know if that's a reflection on me or just society in general, but I'm a dog lover. So everybody have a good day. Give your dog a hug, and give each other a hug too. Why not? That's put your mask on, of course. I'm outside, so I don't have mine on. But you guys come on over and see us, and I'll put my mask on for you.